Another one, which is a clip-on, you know, one of the Chinese clip-on microphones, lavalier microphone, but that one doesn't work on this system because it's for a cell phone, and I could probably figure that out by changing the wiring into the tip plug, that 3+ tip or something, whatever, changing the wiring there, but I haven't gotten around to that. In the meantime, I'm using my faithful old mic that I cobbled together myself, and as we go, this is now one of the better streets that I walk along. This fella puts a lot of effort into his garden, as you can see. Some very nice gardening. In fact, the people around here do put quite a lot of effort into their pavements and verges and all that. So it's not an ugly neighborhood as such. It's just, well, so South African. Look, I can't really complain because we are cut off from the dangers of that many people face living here, and yeah, this is an interesting tree because as you see this sign, in fact I'll come from the other side because then you can see it better. The tree seems to have absorbed the sign. I'm interested to know how that came about, but nevertheless it's a very nice tree. This is one of these Australian eucalyptus trees, and you see here we've got a good old security guard here. Hello, he waves at me. He's the neighborhood watch, private security company, and well, every house here has got private security, and we have, and there's no question about that. So, I mean, interestingly enough, in South Africa, the private security companies outnumber the police by a factor of about, I don't know exactly, maybe 3 to 1 or something like that. So if you wanted to conquer South Africa, you could put together a private security company and just build it up and install all your foot soldiers, and lo, you could take over the country. Well, yeah. And that's been tried already. If anybody remembers a fellow by the name of Zuma, but he didn't do it with guns and foot soldiers, he did it with financial shenanigans. And so, yeah. I'm sure in a video this will all look very pleasant, because it is, on the face of it, and most of the time there are quite a few people walking around in this area. There's not a sense of fear and foreboding.